Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is Saturday, and oh my goodness, I really got something in my eye. Holy crap. Oh, 1 second. Anyways, what I was saying is it's Saturday, and I got me a new race car last night. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a couple clips that I got from last night. They didn't get there till about 8:30, so it was already nighttime, so I didn't get all the clips I wanted, but I will get y'all some at the track. So you can go ahead and look at these. Anyways, I hope y'all like it as much as I do. I love it. We're going to see how it runs tonight. I am going to go ahead and give y'all a forewarning. It has a 600 gear. That is not at all what we run at the Ridge. So 600 gears meant for more of like a 3/8 mile track. We run a 1/4 mile track. So two different things. Maybe I can keep it rolling up top tonight, or maybe I won't even notice it. Who knows? So we'll just see how it goes. And if not, if it don't work out very well, we're going to go ahead and make the change next week, and we're going to put the gear from my Camaro, which we still have, and it will be for sale. And except now it'll have a 600 gear in it, but that one is for sale for $1,400. We marked it down $400, so that one is now for sale for $1,400. If you want it, please shoot me a text on Instagram or Facebook. Instagram's Gavin Jordan 11. Facebook is just Gavin Jordan. I just got done mowing. As you can see, I've been at it quite a couple hours now. It's taken me 3 hours. I also had to do the ditch, which the ditch is awful. So I only do that like every 3 weeks to every month. So that took a long time. And we did hang clean and baseball Friday. Absolutely daggum, like I'm so sore, like my shoulders and up, and bench press and pull-ups and all those fancy things, and it's got me so sore, and today just did it. So anyways, that's just besides the point. I was just kind of explaining. I am going to get those Eldora videos. This is going to go up before the Eldora videos, but I am going to get those up sometime soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. They'll probably come out, maybe not this week that this video is posted, but maybe the week after that. I'm just going to like edit them all and post them every other day or every day. And I should only have 3 videos. So, or I may combine, because 2 days I didn't record that much, so I may combine 2 days into 1 video. But other than that, I'm going to get back to mowing this little part right here. It is about 1 o'clock on the dot. So, and Mom or Dad went to go get some tires for his truck. So they are in town right now, and I am at home alone. So whenever they get back, we're going to leave around 4:35. Not 4:35, 4:32.5. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and head on to the track, and I'll get some videos. I'm also going to add a new addition to my car, which I think y'all will really like. By the way, it is a metric car, not a Monte Carlo or a strut car or anything like that. But I'm going to do a little addition to it, and I'm going to video that too. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Next one? What the? I did not mean that. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yeah.
Hey, can I stand next to it?
You gonna stand next to it? Go do it. You gonna act like it's yours? There you go. Alright. We made it out to the track. Again, videoing on my phone because I did not charge my camera like a goofball. So, I'm probably going to pack the track. Dad wants me to hot lap. I don't want a hot lap. Mainly because it's too slick to even learn anything. But they said it was smoking earlier at the shop when they started it up, so we'll see what it does here.
That's a wing nut.
This here is a wing nut, guys, if y'all are ever wondering. I obviously knew what it was. He's just trying to show y'all. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and send y'all to the GoPro footage. I didn't get to do the thing that I wanted to put it on the back. I wanted to put something to feel like Jesus lives on the back, but Dad's wants it to be perfect. So I guess I'm just gonna not do it. That's what he said. So I'm going to send y'all to a GoPro footage. Y'all hold on.